Hey foodies, it's Chef Dusty here, and I'm going to immerse you into a delicious shrimp fried rice recipe that are easy to follow steps. This fried rice will have your mouth watering and your family asking you for more each time. First, you'll start with a deluxe stir fry mix. I got mine from Walmart. 1 tablespoon of sesame oils. Bring that to a heat. Add 2 pounds of black tiger shrimp that have been peeled and deveined. After sauteing, they will look like this. Next, you will crack and scramble 4 eggs. Now you can add your seasoning like garlic powder, salt, pepper. On this step, I forgot. However you want to add and season your eggs. Your items should look like this afterwards. Remove your rice out of the refrigerator and we will begin to fry. Now I made this Lion's Made mushroom rice the other night, but you can use white rice that is refrigerated overnight. We are going to use this for our fried rice. You're going to bring to a heat a teaspoon of sesame oil, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin, and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. You'll add your rice and begin frying. After about 4 to 5 minutes, you're going to add your rice to a large serving dish with your other ingredients, and there you go. You have the delicious shrimp fried rice. Enjoy!